Yeah, hey, welcome back to another video. I wish. Hold on. It wasn't daddy ass night. What you doing? How did that, man? Now it starts. I ain't recording. Hey, still ain't fixed the speedometer yet, but it's a nice chilly Saturday. About 70 out here. 75 according to the dash. And I'm gonna take it to work. Made it. No check engine light, which is good. My cruise control still won't come on because of the VDC. Temps are good. Oh, that sound. But I'm gonna see if I can put that fog light back in today. If I get time, fix that. Don't worry about that crack. I already got a new bumper in the works. But, hey, she held up. She held up. Finally out to play. So after being parked for the greater part of 6 months, finally got the check engine light to stay off and made the whole 28 miles stop and go traffic. No check engine light. Still sitting pretty. Let me go get some breakfast.